In this video, we're going to show you how to repair a freeze brake in a 1/2 inch copper line. Since this is a small brake, we can cut out the section of the brake no more than 2 inches and then use a SharkBite slip coupling to make the repair. First, turn the water off and remember that SharkBite can be installed wet or dry. After you've cut, deburred and marked your pipe, simply push the end of the coupling marked slip end over the copper as far as it will go. Using a disconnect clip on the slip end of the fitting, slide the coupling back over the adjoining piece of copper until it clicks and reaches the correct depth gauge mark. Do not withdraw the slip end any further than the depth gauge mark. You have now finished your repair and you can turn the water back on. Now you know how to repair a freeze brake in a 1/2 inch copper line using a SharkBite slip repair coupling.